Do you want to find all groups in WhatsApp? You can check your all groups in WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to find all groups in WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Finding all your groups in WhatsApp allows you to quickly access and manage your group conversations. By finding all your groups, you stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, or community members who are part of these groups. To find all the groups you are currently a member of in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once WhatsApp is open, you'll typically land on the Chats tab by default. If not, navigate to the Chats tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Chats tab, you'll see a list of your recent individual and group chats. To access additional options, slide down your chat screen with your finger. This action will reveal more options at the top of the screen. Among the options that appear after sliding down the screen, look for the Groups tab at the top of the screen. Tap on Groups to access your list of groups. Now, you will see a list of all the WhatsApp groups that you are currently a member of. These groups will be displayed according to recent activity. To view more details about a specific group, tap on the group name from the list. This will take you to the group chat screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and access all the groups you are a member of in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.